Hello, everyone. My name is Guy Labin. I'm the Hazel Air President and CEO here at the Arizona Science Center. Welcome to this volunteer appreciation event. On behalf of all of our staff, our visitors, our board, I want to thank you all for the amazing contributions that you make to the Arizona Science Center. You make us better by contributing your time, your energy, and your passion to the work that we do here and across the state of Arizona. So on behalf of all of us, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. A heartfelt thanks to all of our volunteers who help from everything from organizing the boneyard to packing bins to helping with AZ staff. Without you, Arizona Science Center would not be great.
Hey volunteers, we just want to give a big thank you for all of your help both on the floor and off the floor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, volunteers, for coming in here and working so hard. I learned so much from all of you. I love getting to know each and every one of you. So you always teach me something new, and I appreciate that. Love you.
Thank you, volunteers. We couldn't do anything we do without you.
Thank you volunteers.
For all your help prepping for Camp Innovation and all your help throughout all the camp weeks.
We truly appreciate you and couldn't do it without you. I wanted to say thank you to all of our volunteers who come help us out here at Arizona Science Center.
Thank you, volunteers. We really couldn't do a lot of this work without you, so we truly appreciate you and all of your hard work and dedication.
Hey volunteers, my name is Vanessa with Science on Wheels. Thank you guys so much for helping make dinosaur eggs. The kids really love that.
My name is Mary. I'm one of the Blue Crew, and we have all these volunteers that are just fabulous helping us. I don't know how we would do it, all of our jobs without their help.
Thank you.
Thank you, volunteers.
Thanks for all your help, volunteers.
Hey volunteers, thanks for loving science with all your heart.